Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakhadi Village Industries Commission, kalakantui ki Samla Jong Jylla, ban wan chakman, ban yeshimanta, haki scheme baper, kamtam ka Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. Haka arpo artarik mutabnai rempang arjarkat kandai. Kakhadi Village Industries Commission, kalapalong ya kaji kendo bat kinong patai khobor. Jong kani ka Jylla, ban pansya yikir kom terikam, bat ka jingmentoy, kibayo, lada ki Samla, ki yeshimanta, ban apply, bat Pynrung ya ka Kyrteng joki, hakani ka Skhim. Habaikan bat kinong patai khobor kinong yalam jong ka Kvic, kilai tho bakani ka Skhim ka terikam ba, hakiwai ki Jylla jong kari, nakabenta ban yarap iki Samla, kamtam haki thai nong kandong, bakin sengkam la jong. Bat ban yang halaki jong kijan. Henry kilapan papat bakani ka Skhim hapo kani ka Jylla Meghalaya hadin balakot apply deka online kalahir sibon nakadaw jong ka jingbambiang kibor internet.
And the CIC Shillong is organizing awareness every time, informing them about the Pmegp scheme and requesting them also to go to Kvic and this Khadi board and requesting them also to come to our office. We are helping them online, and for those who don't have PAN card, we help in getting PAN card for them, and for Aadhaar is not necessary, only for PAN card in fact. So most of the rural peoples now, they have PAN card. Whoever comes to our office, after fulfilling all the applications and all, then we request them for PAN card. They all have. Those who don't have, we help them through our friends and all. We have some organization who are helping them to get a PAN card. Within 1 week they get a PAN card, and we are doing everything for them. And for the rurals, we used to coordinate with the BDOs. We used to go for the block awareness program any program. And now in Shillong we have many colleges also calling from the industries department for giving them lecture on our scheme, industry scheme, especially for Pmegp. And most of these college students, they are coming from the rural also. So this, in fact, most of the scheme is already there. Most of the rural people, they know. In fact, in our East Khasi Hills, those who applied for Pmegp are mostly from the rurals, from Peninsula, from Jylla, from Sora, from Mausanram. So in fact, most of them they know. Loopholes, because sometimes those who apply, they should know. Otherwise, we have to organize, we have to guide them what project they're going to do. And most in the rural, they are doing the same thing. Like you see in the Peninsula area, the only broom and betel nut processing, everybody, because that is the raw materials from there. Now it has become saturated. Even bank, they are not willing to give loan for broom and for this betel nut processing. And those people who are doing that part, they are not able to pay the loan also for that reason. So now we are requesting, we have been giving them some kinds of awareness to start some new ventures which will help those people in that area.